This is Darnell at Freedom MMC, and today I want to send out a special shout out to all the commercial truck drivers out there and the folks that are learning and in the process of becoming a commercial truck driver. Special shout out to you. Today, what I want to do is ask if you could have any truck in the world for free. Let's just say you knew somebody that won that mega money. Which truck would you have? Would it be an International or a Volvo like the Senator or a Kenworth? What would be your favorite truck? Or would you go with the legendary Peterbilt, which is extremely popular for obvious reasons? Want to get a discussion going? Let me know what you think. If you're a big truck kind of person, shout out to the female truck drivers putting down millions of safe miles also. So let me know. You can respond, or you could also find me on Twitter. Thanks for your time. Peace.